it's Megs here, otherwise known as the Themegscahill. We're like, Cahill. I'm so weird. Anyways, today I have two brand new palettes for you guys, which actually aren't even out yet, but I got them. So these are the BeBella Cosmetics. I believe that's what's called, BeBella Cosmetics. Yeah. These are their brand new eyeshadows palettes. They're not even out yet. Oh, my nails are so ratchet in this video. I have no lipstick on. Megan, get it together. Put some lip gloss on. Not really sure if it matches my eyes. Personally, don't really care right now. But anyways, I have these two palettes for you guys. There is the basic browns and the basic Beaus or Bays, B-E-A-U-S. I don't know how to pronounce it right. So yeah, these are awesome, amazing palettes. These drop February 2nd. They're in like kind of like a thick cardboard package with a clear lid. They're magnetized. You hear that? So they're pretty strong. But yeah, so anyway, they have a little magnet in it. So first we'll do the basic browns palette. These come out February 2nd, so these are not out yet. I'm not sure what they're going to retail for. If I figure it out, I'll put it in the down bar, but I don't really know. But this is the first one, and this is the basic browns. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Tons of mattes, metallics, and all that. Let's do some swatches. Fuck, I'm not good at swatches. But it's okay because these shadows are like literally bomb. I need to stop cussing. Literally bomb. So there's the first row right there. I should do this better. We're gonna do it on my hand because obviously I have can't swatch very well. But anyways, this palette is absolutely amazing. This is the basic browns. I love this palette so much. I'm not going to swatch all of them because that'll be way too much, but I'm going to show you some shades. So here's one of the oranges right here. Like, are you kidding me? Like, are you joking? That's so freaking pigmented. Okay, let's do a metallic one. This is the bronze. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's do this orangey shade. This one's super buttery. Jesus, so pigmented. Oh my gosh. Let's do a dark matte. Dude, I'm normally not a matte shadow person, but like, holy, this one has glitter in it. Let's see if the glitter comes out. Oh shoot, yeah it does. Definitely comes out. And we'll do this dark red. Guys, look at that matte orange. Oh my, and the black too. Let's swatch the black. That's a freaking black, guys. Oh my gosh, so this is from the Basic Browns Shadow. I'm assuming these guys won't be too expensive. Like I said, there are 30 eyeshadows with quite big palette, or quite big pan size. These are bigger than a MAC shadow for reference. They are square, there's 30 of them. Magnetic closure, super light, sleek, easy to travel with. Let's look at the basic, I don't know how to freaking say this. But anyways, this palette's a little bit more fun. You got reds, burgundies, oranges, blues, greens, matte and shimmer shades, some glitter shades as well. So, let's swatch, because these swatch amazing. Okay, I'm going to take this bright red. Ready? Like, are you freaking kidding me? Holy balls! So pigmented. Let's do this pink, because I haven't swatched this before. Oh my gosh, that pink is so beautiful. Let's try this green. These are so freaking pigmented. Oh my gosh, this is like a glittery black. Y'all. Oh my gosh. This pigment is insane. Let's do this purpley shade. This is an interesting shade. Wow. Wow, I feel like that guy when the girl blows smoke on Twitter and he's like, wow. There's like a blue glittery shade too. It's like a matte with glitter. Let's do one more matte shade because I'm just obsessed. with these matte shades. We'll do this bright ass orange. Guys, these shadows are so freaking pigmented. Oh my gosh. And these are like Morphe prices. So you know that these aren't going to be too expensive. Again, shadow pans are bigger than a MAC eyeshadow. They are squared, so they do have a little bit more product in them. Again, very slick with a magnetic closure. Super easy to travel with. Them even together is not thick at all. Super slim, easy to travel with. Super slim, easy to travel with. I cannot get over the pigmentation on these mattes. Like, yeah, metallics normally come out pretty pigmented on most palettes, but these mattes are so freaking crazy pigmented. Look at that red. It is so hard to make a good red, guys. Like, I'm in shock. These are so freaking pigmented. Like, so pigmented. And both of these shadow palettes are so beautiful. If you're more of a basic kind of girl, go for the browns. You got some pretty metallics, bronze, gold, burgundy shades. You do have a little bit of playing room with the orange and burgundy. Kind of like the modern renaissance on a more brown tone scale on some super high quality for an inexpensive shadows. Wow. Yeah, this palette is amazing, especially for you more basic girls out there that like to do just more browns and stuff like that. If you guys are going to work or something and can't really do fun colors, this is like a good colorful palette. Like, these are still wearable experimental colors. So you have those reds, you have the greens, the emeralds, that sparkly blue, this cool purpley taupe shade. So pretty, a light gold. That pink reflex gold, so beautiful. I would highly recommend these palettes. The only thing is there's a lot of kickback when you're putting your shadows on. For example, this is a little clear guy that comes in your palette. You guys see all that kickback? There's a lot on there. You guys can see all the shadows. So the mattes do kick back a lot. I mean, it's normal with really pigmented shadows. I mean, I don't mind the kickback because they're so freaking pigmented and they apply so smooth and so nice. I don't care that there's a little bit of kickback. I'll just brush it off, you know. But yeah, so there is kickback, kind of a lot, but if you can get past that and just focus on the quality of the shadows and the colors, they're amazing. I have this palette on my eyes right now. I used all those reds, and the black is so pigmented in the shadow. I used orange and red and black. This tutorial will be up after this video. But these shadows are absolutely amazing. Again, they dropped February 2nd. Shouldn't be too expensive. I'm not sure on the price point. If I do figure it out, I'll put it in here or down below. But again, 30 shadows in each. Beautiful, beautiful shades. Amazing pigmentation. Magnetic closures, which are pretty tight too. You can't like pull this open very easily. This isn't just going to be like, pop. It's going to stay pretty well. Very slim packaging. And just overall, really, really nice eyeshadows. I highly recommend these shadows. I am so impressed with them. I've honestly tried some of the BeBella palettes before, and I was kind of like, I don't really know. But these are, like, amazing, amazing palettes. These have been my go-to for myself and clients. I've been using them very, very often, and I use them for this look right here. So if you guys are looking for a not too expensive, very high-quality shadow with shimmers, mattes, and some glittery shades, definitely recommend these. These come out February 2nd. Again, very sleek. Highly recommend these shades. But my camera's going to die, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, this tutorial will be up shortly. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Let me know if you guys like my reviews. I try to make it a little bit quick. I don't like when reviews are like super long. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little review. I'll see y'all soon. Bye, babes. Mwah. Your little brother never tells you, but he loves you so. You said your mother